guys, welcome back. Today I have another fall makeup look, and this is more dark, more vampy, more smoky. So I haven't done a dark smoky eye in a long time, and because I thought it was a little bit too simple, too basic, I applied these gold flakes in my inner corners, and I really like it. So today I used the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. This is the Bling Boss, and I took the risk and I used a matte shadow. I used sparks all over my lids. So I only used one eyeshadow to achieve this makeup look, and also I used a lipstick to make this more intense and more dark. But basically this is one eyeshadow makeup look, and it's super easy to achieve. You just have to be a little bit more careful, I would say, a little bit more precise to achieve a clean makeup look, if that makes sense. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieve this makeup look, then keep on watching. And by the way, I have fake bangs. You can totally see that I have a lot of bumps right here. I tried to blend the bangs with the bun. So I guess my hair is not on flick today, but I really wanted to have dark hair for this makeup look. I don't know if that makes sense, but I think dark hair and this dark bold eye screams vampy, if that makes sense. I think it makes no sense, but anyway. So since this is the only eyeshadow that I'm going to use for this makeup look today, I'm going to start with a very light hand. And I did conceal my lids, but I didn't set that concealer because, as I said previously, these matte shadows from the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palettes work better on a sticky base. And as you can see here, I did had a little bit of patchy situation going on, but it's okay because I'm going to cover that. Next, I'm going to take this dark berry lipstick, and I'm going to apply this on my lids. I'm not going to bring this upwards in my crease because I don't want this to crease, if that makes sense. And with the same eyeshadow, I'm going to set the lipstick, and as you can see, I changed the brush. I'm using a more dense brush, and as you can see here, that lipstick makes the eyeshadow even darker. So after I set the lipstick, I'm going to take again the blending brush, and I'm going to softly blend those edges. And after I did that, I'm going to go again with more color, and I'm going to bring this a little bit upwards near to my brow bone to match my other eye. And I want to say that I didn't have any issues with this matte eyeshadow from the Jaclyn and Morphe palette. The only issue I had, it was in the beginning when it was a little bit patchy, as you saw, but I covered that with the lipstick, so I guess it's okay. For my bottom lash line, I'm going to do the exact same thing I did on my lids. So first I'm going to start with the lipstick, and then I'm going to go with the eyeshadow to set that lipstick. And I'm going to create a very smoky lower lash line. Also, I applied that lipstick in my waterline, and next I'm going to tightline with this black pencil. So because I don't have a glitter primer, I'm going to use a lip gloss to make that gold foil stick on my eyes. And with the Q-tip, I'm going to apply just a tiny bit of that lip gloss. You don't want to apply too much. And then I'm going to take tiny particles of that gold foil, and I'm going to stick them on my inner corners. And because I'm going to apply lashes with thick band, I want to hide that thick band, and I'm going to line my lash line with this LOC black liner. And off camera, I applied my lashes lashes. Lashes. These are in the style Hong Kong and they are from Lavio lashes. And to highlight my face, I'm going to use my Nicole Guerrero and Anastasia Glow Kit. I used the shade Glow Getter, and also I used a little bit of that to highlight my brow bone as well. On my lips, first I'm going to start with in the nude pencil. This is from Essence, and I'm going to overline a little bit my upper lip to make my lips appear a little bit more juicy. Next, I'm going to use Skimpy cream. This is from ColourPop. Is their Lippie stick. And after that, I'm going to go again with the same pencil and I'm going to blend those edges. Okay, so this is the final look. I love how dark and vampy this is. I haven't done a makeup look like this in a very long time, like a dark, bold, smoky eye. So I really love how this turned out. You can totally wear a dark lipstick like the one that I used on my eyes, but I'm not that brave. I like to keep it more nude, more neutral when I do bold eye makeup like this. So yeah, if you feel brave enough, go for it. But I guess that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Oh my, this eye is so watery. That's too much. Too much. Okay, let's fix this. Okay, that's a little bit better.